Now let's consider a regenerative type of the circuit. In a regenerative type of the circuit, till now whatever circuit we have considered initially, the fluid which is coming from a return line, it was wastage, but in this particular circuit we are not going to have an wastage. Here principle is when the fluid returning from other end of cylinder is forced into head end of the cylinder. So fluid returning from other end, that is forced into head end of the cylinder. So this particular is the head end and this is the rod end. So the fluid is entering into the head end, means the amount of fluid coming from an pump that we can reduce by the amount which is coming from an return fluid. So the power which is supplied to the pump, that can be reduced in a regenerative circuit. This is what arrangement, this particular downside arrangement, you are familiar with that. This is a direction control valve. In the direction control valve we are having a 3 positions, position number 1, 2, 3. In current middle position is a regenerative circuit position, whereas the other 2 is a normal one. When I keep regenerative circuit position, the fluid which is coming from and rod end, it will enter into the head end and it will move forward. So amount of fluid which is coming from an pump, it will be reduced, and hence power given to pump also can be reduced. When I put this particular position into the action, then what will happen? Normally fluid will go and normally it will return, so regenerative circuit is not possible. When I put this particular position into action, then the reverse movement of the pistons, backward movement of the piston is possible with this one. So this particular circuit is called as a regenerative circuit, in which we can save the power which is given to the pump.